Most birds have migrated south, but in the frozen Bering Sea, ducks of one particular species are gathering together in a single immense flock, spectacled eiders. Hundreds of thousands of them. With the seas that fed them throughout the summer all but frozen, this is the eider's last refuge. Such patches of open water, kept free of ice by strong currents, are given a Russian name, polynyas. If this polynya stays open all winter, the ducks will have avoided an exhausting migration. It's a gamble and a tremendous risk, especially for the spectacled eider, for this polynya holds the world's entire population. Surrounded by ice, the spectacled eider's survival depends on this single, vulnerable oasis. And conditions here can change very fast. A smaller pool, here common eider ducks are learning a bitter lesson. An early winter storm has caught them out, and the ice is closing in. The pool is shrinking, and the ducks are freezing to death. These gamblers have lost.